Hello, my fellow stock trading masters. This is Lance Jepson with GorillaStockTrading.com. Now look, this is kind of interesting because what I'm about to show you, you really, unless you've been trading for many years, you've probably never heard of this. This strategy is a day trading strategy called the open range or open range trading. And there's a bunch of different variations of this. It's kind of like a card game where you've got many different ways to play it. Okay, I'm going to show you the most easiest, and if you're interested in trading like this, very short-term day trading, you can look into it more on variations of this move. Now, what I'm doing is I'm taking the last trading day on SPY. So this video is being done on July 25th on a Sunday. So this is Friday's market close, which was July 23rd. Now look, this is after hours trading. So the market is starting right here. I want you to focus your eyes right here. This is Thursdays or the previous days. This is after hours data. And now the market is opening up on Friday morning. Okay? So each one of these candlesticks are 5 minutes. Now you're going to be looking at the first 30 minutes, and you want to establish the high point and the low point for the first 30 minutes. So here we go. 5 minutes into trading, big sell-off, right? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Stop. Okay, so we've passed our 30 minutes worth of trading. This blue line, I've already drawn the line for you, is the top of the range. We don't count after market trading, which is all this, right? The market opened up right here. So there's the high, there's the low after 30 minutes. Okay, and we draw blue lines to establish this range, and we call this the opening range. Now, what we're looking for is if it breaks above the range on good volume, we buy. If it breaks underneath the range, we sell or we short. Now, it's important to note the trend of the market going into the open range play. If you break out in the direction of the bigger trend on good volume, chances are you're going to be able to make money doing this. We know that SPY was uptrending all last week, okay? So the short-term trend, or actually the longer-term trend, if you're looking at a 5-minute chart like we are here, is up right now. Okay, so here we go. And you can see that each one of these candlesticks are 5 minutes as it goes on. We're within the range, so it's neutral right now. It's unbiased. Now here we broke underneath the low. Okay, so we're getting ready to go short, but we need a confirmation of the break. We need at least one more 5-minute candlestick underneath the low of the opening range to confirm the break. We didn't get it. It went right back up, and intra 5 minutes it broke the lower range line, but it did not stay underneath it, so that doesn't count. We're back up, going back into the range. Here we go. So far we don't have a signal. Ooh, we went over it, but for the 5-minute period it closed under, so we don't worry about it. Ooh, closed right on it, we don't worry about it. Boom! We have a close above the high of the opening range. Now, we need confirmation. We need a good green candle, long-bodied confirmation of the break on good volume. Ooh, we don't get it. This is a doji pattern. Very small body, long tails. We push off the confirmation to one more 5-minute period. Boom! It falls back underneath the high of the range. We didn't get confirmation. It's a good thing we didn't go long. You could see we just go on here. Boom, there we go again. We have a break above it. Okay, now we're looking for a confirmation. this is very interesting because we don't get the confirmation. Remember, because it's red, it's the lower end where the 5-minute period closed. That fell back underneath the line. We don't do a thing yet. That would have been tempting to go long on that, but we didn't. It fell back underneath the range. We're still not getting a confirmation of any of these breaks yet, so we're staying back as the day goes on. Boom! Look at that. We've got a break above it. Now, this could be a good chance at confirmation. We could see the volumes building on the upside. Boom! We got confirmation right now, and notice the volume too. The volume's picking up, so we've got good volume. Okay, so now we go long. We've got confirmation. We've got good volume to the upside. We know that the previous trend, remember, going into this over the last week, has been up. So it's breaking in the direction of the larger trend on good volume. We buy. Oh, boom. So as you can see, this strategy is excellent. Look at that. Up and up and up we go. Where it stops, nobody knows. Very good. We're coming into the last hour of trading. And that's it. We're done for the day. So with our buy down here and our sell up here, we just made a little under a 1% gain. There you go, folks. That's the open range strategy.